everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I am going to jump on board. I was kind of a little hesitant because I got a couple of things going on at one time, but I've got to get some stuff done in this house. So I'm jumping on board with Sophia from My Great Challenge, doing the 30 bags in 30 days of decluttering, and she gives you a calendar on her website, I'll link that below, of what is being accomplished every day. So I'm 2 days late. It's day number 3, July the 3rd, and she's already done her makeup or her bathroom, because her makeup is in her bathroom vanity, and then she did her dresser drawer in the master bedroom, and day number 3 is the master closet. So I'm jumping in day number 3 with the master closet, and I'll go back and I'll do days 1 and 2 one day this week, and then I'll be on track next week. So I'm jumping in a little bit late, but I'm going to start with day number 3. So I've cleaned out this closet several times. It is still the bane of my existence. It doesn't matter how much I clean, I'm still holding on to things that I really do need to just purge out. So I'm going to let you into my closet, but I'm going to try to be ruthless and brutal and really do a thorough purge. Really monopolize on this 30 bags in 30 days. Let's go into the closet. Okay, everybody, here's my closet. You've seen it a zillion times. I actually removed a rack, and I just have this one rack here. What I'm thinking I want to do is have Handy Mandy come in and readjust this rack here, the one that's on the back wall, to go all the way up to the ceiling so I have no space up there, and then put a shorter rack in, or even a half rack. I want to make it so that I can still hang some clothes, but then I have like pants and skirts that don't need as much room. I haven't fully thought that process through just yet, but I'm thinking about it. What I am going to declutter right now is everything on this back wall, and I think I'm going to be or do what Sophia says. If I can't fit it, I'm just going to donate it. So I'm not just going to throw things away unless they just need to be thrown away. I'm going to find a place to donate it, or another home that will love it as much as I did or still do. But if I can't fit it, it really is no need for me to hold on to it. As I lose weight, I am going to probably be just like her and want to buy new things. So I am currently back in a weight loss pattern. I had gained a couple pounds back since being on Weight Watchers, but I'm now in a weight loss pattern, and so that's good for me. So I'm kind of still wanting to be as ruthless as I can in this closet because I just have a lot of stuff. Also, I have the big bag of clothing that was given to me by my friend, and I didn't hang anything up just yet because I don't have any hangers to hang anything up because all the hangers are being used by other stuff. So I am going to try to get, and then this is just laundry that I folded and we have not put it away. It is folded but not put away. So I'm going to bring everything out. These blankets and stuff we're going to try to rehome into the linen chest if we can get them in there. If not, we'll just put them back up where they were before. But I'm only doing shoes and this rack back here as far as things that I'm going to get rid of. So come along with me and we'll talk a little bit through the process, but for the most part I'm just going to start pulling items. Okay, everybody, what I've done is a quick pull through. I pulled out shoes, I pulled out some clothes, but my closet is really small. So I'm going to take you into the bedroom and show you what exactly I have pulled out. And then I may need to come back in here again. One of the biggest things or issues that I have with my closet, it is extremely dark color heavy, which is not one of my fave characteristics of my closet, but I tend to lean towards the darker colors. So I'm trying to put it looks like I wouldn't want to wear any of this for the summer months. It's just, it feels heavy to me. And so I do have some lighter things, but I tend to lean towards the darker colors. So I'm pulling, you know, some of these things out. Some of these are winter things, but I don't have another closet to put winter items, sweaters, stuff like that. So I may need to do a better job of pulling some of these things down that are up here on this top shelf and putting them out to the garage, and then just making, you know, get some baskets up there that would work for some of my winter sweaters and things. So that may be an idea. Right now I don't have the finances to go buy any baskets, but I'm going to keep that into the back of my mind. So let me show you what I was able to pull out of the closet and what I think I'm going to be able to make a bag with. Okay, everybody, so here's some of the things that I was able to pull out of my closet. This dress I wore to my father's church anniversary, and it is a very pretty fuchsia pink color. I love the crochet look. It was just a little short for me. If I had to choose again, there was another dress that I liked as well. I would not have chosen this specific dress, but I was trying to stay with one solid color instead of a pattern, and the other dress was a pattern dress. So it has those sleeves that I love, but it is just too short for me. If you bend over, all of heaven and half of glory is hanging out, and it just cannot be that way. So I think I'm going to pass this along. Also, here's the blue that I wore to anniversary as well. Same thing. It is pretty. I love the crochet. It was just short. I got this particular jacket at a thrift store, and I thought I might wear it for business. I haven't worn it yet, and I've had it probably for over a year. I don't know. I've had it for a long while. So I'm going to let this go, part with that. I have this jacket that I got from Route 21. I'm really not sure where I got this from, but I'm going to let Alana see if she likes it. If she doesn't like it, then we'll pass it along to someone else, because it's just one of those kind of sporty jackets. Probably in something someone gave to me. I don't think I purchased it from anywhere, but I think it just came in a bag of things. So I'm going to pass it to her, and if she doesn't love it, pass it along. The next thing is, this is a gray jacket that I just wear all the time. It was one I got from Target years ago, and it's a maternity jacket, but I just liked it. Again, I'm more of that apple-y shape, so I have my weight in the front. But this is an extra large, and I've had it for years and years. It's just time to find a new home. Then a couple of shirts that I like, but I'm not having love. I got this black shirt to preach in. The end of the year last year, I think it was New Year's Eve, I needed a top for preaching, and I got this one. I love it, but it's black, and I'm trying to get rid of some of my blacks, and I can get a new one between now and school start back. Then this was this was a Nadine West, and I really do like it, but it picks so bad. It has pits. This is a Walmart. I love the deep color, but I probably haven't worn this in almost 2 years, so I'm just going to let that one go. And I wear this quite often with lots of things, but it's that old pattern, old Shakema, so I'm going to let that go. And then these two shirts I really do like, but I don't like to wear my arms out. So, you know, I got them from Walmart. I think I paid $1 for them each. And I'm going to see if anybody wants to have those two. And then this one I just got from Goodwill. It's a Talbot's, but again, it's that arm out situation. That's not my fave. For these, the Nadine West shorts, I'm going to just find a home for these and rehome them to some lovely people that I know. Then I pulled out some leggings and just some pants, and let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, there's a pair of leggings in there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of pants. I think one of these I thought I had a pair of Michael Kors pants in here, but I really am going to try to find a nice home for. And this is a pair of khaki pants that I really love, but they've been sitting in there, and I can't wear them. Here's a nice skirt. I think I've worn this skirt one time, and it's one of those spandexy material things, but for me, you know, it's just a little bit fitted, and that's not my fave. And then I just pulled out a couple pairs of shoes, and most of these I got from Goodwill. So I have a pair of kitty cat heels from Talbot's. They just fit a little bit tight. I have these pair of patent leather pumps that I do like, but I don't like skinny heels because when I get shouting in church, that might fall, and I'm not trying to be that individual who falls down in church. So that's gonna go. These I got from my sister. I just needed a pair of quick shoes to throw on, and she had these, but I don't like the fact that it's that gathered here, and so they just don't fit right. And this pair right here, I got these from Goodwill. They're a pair of St. John's. Really well-made shoe, but for some reason it just, you know, I'm not in love. And if I'm not in love, I'm really just trying not to have a whole lot of stuff I'm not in love with anymore. And then these boots are some Jennifer Lopez boots, and I got these from the consignment shop that I love to shop at for $1. The only problem is they are a little bit tight on my feet, so I'm going to part ways with those. So this is just a look-see at the bag of items that I am able to get rid of for this particular challenge, day 3 of the 30 bags, 30 days challenge, being sponsored by Sophia over at My Great Challenge. So if I counted up my items, I probably have about 15 or 20 items here. This is more than enough to fill a bag. So I'm going to let these things go. So there it is. Those are my things that I'm letting go out of my master bedroom closet. I know that I had several people asking me to do a try-on haul of my gift haul that a friend of mine gave to me. I have yet to film that because everything is still in the bag. I didn't have any hangers, and so now that I've freed up some hanger space, I'm going to be doing a few more things. But here's one of the dresses that was in the bag. I really do love this dress, and I am a polka dotted girl. I really do appreciate it. It is a little bit revealing here, so I'll either get a pin to pin that, or I'll put a cami underneath, and it'll be just fine. And I think some nice earrings and some accessories. This is a good work outfit because I'm going to be doing a work trip in the next couple of weeks, and I'll be working in the office. So this will be a very nice work outfit for me. It's light, it's airy. I will have to put, you know, something underneath of it because it kind of is a little thin, but it doesn't have, it's not what I would consider no sleeves. It kind of has that, it falls over a little bit. So I'm okay with that specifically. The air conditioner will be pretty blasting, so I may even have to put something on top of it. But anyway, this is one of the pieces that was in that bag. But again, there it is. That's my haul. These are the things that I'm going to be putting into my bag for day 3 of the 30 bags in 30 days. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have never seen Sophia, go over and check out her channel. She's My Great Challenge. I love Sophia. I found her several years ago. She probably was the first cleaning person that I found on YouTube, and I actually found some of her older videos. I mean, when I started watching her, I was still watching videos that were like a year or 2 years old, and I still love her. I loved her then. I still love her now. She motivates me to get things done. I wish I was more DIY hands-on like she is, but I am not. Anywho, this is it. Thank you for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you for day number 4. Bye now.